This engine kept overheating, and what would happen was it would back pressure. It would create back pressure, and there would be steam and smoke coming out of the radiator. And I kept losing this cap. This is actually a Gatorade bottle cap to put on my reservoir because so much back pressure, and it just didn't feel like this was I thought it was a water pump. That's why I replaced the water pump, but I believe it's the thermostat. So let's see what we could do about that. All right, here's the story with this Kubota BX2360. It's overheating. Now I did replace the water pump. I had to pull all this out of here. Now I've already pulled the radiator and cleaned all the screens. What I haven't done yet is clean the air filter, replace the thermostat, and I'm gonna add some head gasket sealer into the coolant along with a smoke stop kind of smoke seal. These are the products I'm talking about. I'm gonna add ring seal, smoke repair by Rizlone, and Blue Devil head gasket sealer, as well as a new thermostat. That's how I have to turn it off now. Something with the key's not right, so I can't kill it with can't kill the engine from the key, from the ignition anymore. Or dirty. I did do a surface on this. We're gonna set this aside. See if we can't resolve these issues. Don't spill out on me. Okay, good. All right. Oh. Take a look at this thermostat. I believe that was part of the issue. Yeah, because it's like bone dry in here. There's nothing getting through the thermostat. So it's cooling in there. So that tells me that part was probably faulty. Oh, probably faulty. See if we can't. First, I'm gonna add the engine, the head gasket. I'm gonna put into the radiator, and then I'll add some of that oil product, smoke seal. Okay. Just in case there is a head gasket issue. I mean, it's not losing fluids, so that was this. This one I'm gonna add into the oil and see if we can't get it to stop with the smoke. Oh boy, that's thick stuff. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. I like put fucking honey in your engine. This stuff is thick. Is good. Perfect. So coolant was coming out of the water pump, this little hole in the water pump, and dripping. See it? Hole in that water pump right there, splashing all over. And I'm wondering, new thermostat, new water pump, still overheating. Under power. I'm gonna put it back. Overheating like a motherfucker. New thermostat, new water pump, new fluids. How? How can you be overheating still? Blowing smoke like a son of a bitch. Look at this. It smells warm. Why? Why are you overheating? It can't be as simple as the air filter. No way. No way it's as simple as taking the air filter out. That's definitely not the problem with the symptoms it's having. No way. Ain't no way, dude. Just overheats. I don't understand.